Hi there. This demonstration will be to show Fortinet's integration with Amazon Web Services VPC Port Mirroring. Traffic leaving or entering the web servers can be mirrored to FortiGate for threat analysis and to gain operational insight. FortiGate will have two interfaces, with one having sniffer mode enabled. This mode will enable FortiGate to see traffic without being in line. In this demo, we have created a custom IPS signature that will log any outbound traffic leaving the web server to example.com on a FortiGate. The FortiGate will then send any logged traffic to FortiAnalyzer, where we have created an event handler to filter out any IPS events. This event handler will be used by FortiGate as part of the automation stitch functionality to trigger a Lambda function. When the Lambda function is triggered, it will move the affected web server into an isolated security group automatically. This security group can be used to investigate incidents, so it will allow SSH. Customers can use Fortinet integration with AWS VPC Port Mirroring to detect anomalies and automate remediation. Let us begin. You can see here that we have three EC2 instances. We have a FortiGate, FortiAnalyzer, and a web server connected to a load balancer. If we go into security group, we can see that there is a security group that disallows all but SSH. This is the Lambda security group that Lambda will move all affected instances if a security event invokes the function. Moving into the FortiGate, under Custom IPS Signature, there's already a custom IPS signature created. If we click into it, we see that this signature will be invoked whenever FortiGate sees traffic involving example.com on port 80. Of course, customers can choose to create their own custom signature to detect any events that they want to capture, as well as create security policies to detect security events like outgoing CNC and more. Moving to FortiAnalyzer, if we go to FortiGate Event Handlers, it will show that we have filtered the events incoming from FortiGate by IPS. This means that FortiAnalyzer will match any events coming from FortiGate, matching our custom signature, and send back to FortiGate. Of course, we are only doing one gateway in this example. However, imagine this scaling to tens or hundreds or thousands of gateways. Then we will need an advanced analytics solution like FortiAnalyzer to do the event handling. Moving back to FortiGate, under Automation Stitch, there is already an Automation Stitch policy created. If we click into it, we can see that it is activated whenever FortiGate sees the event handler that we have specified from FortiAnalyzer coming into it. FortiGate will then send the Lambda request where it will be invoked. The Lambda function would then automatically move the affected web instance into a contained security group. Let us now see it in action. Moving to the web server, let us do ping google.com to show internet connectivity. Next, let us do wget on example.com. After a while, we see that the web server is no longer able to communicate with example.com. If we switch back into AWS Management Console, we can verify that the web instance has now been moved into the isolated security group. As you can see,
This web instance is now no longer able to communicate with the internet. Automating environments in the cloud is necessary, and companies of any size should embrace security automation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.